Hello friends, now we have got an exercise today, future continuous yes or no questions. So simple thing that you can do is take the first part of the verb and put it at the beginning or front of the sentence. So you can see the boys will be reading in the library or in the classroom. That will be will the boys be reading. So it's a mechanical exercise now. So you have to do like this. Simple, and therefore I don't want to write all the answers on the board because that is very too simple for you. Yes. So the girls will be decorating the stage. Will the girls be? Will the girls be decorating? The men will be working. Will the men be working? The women will be cooking. Will the women be cooking? Isn't it? And then the students will be preparing for the festival. Will the students be preparing? Will the students be preparing for the festival? Very good. And the old man will be fishing. Will the old man will be fishing? Will the old man be fishing? And the actors will be practicing. Will the actors be? Will the actors be practicing? No. Will the actors be practicing? Yes. Then the lion will be roaring. Will the lion be roaring? Okay. And the dog will be barking. Will the dog be barking? Alright, so simple thing for you. It's very simple. And now we have got the woodcutter will be sleeping. Will the woodcutter be sleeping? Isn't it? And the players will be resting. Will the players be resting? Question mark, of course. There has to be question mark at the end. Yes, question mark. And then the guru will be praying. Will the guru be praying? Okay. Will the guru be praying? Question mark should be the patient will be getting better. Will the patient be? Will the patient be getting better? Will the patient be getting better? The doctor will be doing his best. Will the doctor be doing? Will the doctor be doing his best? And the last one, the man will be doing a good job. Will the man be doing a good job? Okay, so that's how it is done. I think now it's very clear to you because right from the first day, so first tense, remember the present continuous tense. So we have been doing this. How to make a statement into an yes or no question. Then the key point to remember is if the verb has more than one part, take the first part of the verb and put it at the beginning of the sentence. The rest after that the rest of the sentence you write and then it becomes an yes or no question. At the end there should be question mark. It's very simple for you. As usual, my suggestion is that you make your own sentences, say about 10, 15, 20, 21, 50, 52, like that, and try to convert them into yes or no questions. Read them aloud, and thus increase your fluency in speaking. That is the best way to increase or to improve your fluency in speaking. Alright? So bye, see you again.